great-grandma Prudence had another name, which I never knew.
No.
Yes, yes.
Four years ago, when my mom was diagnosed with a lung disease due to pesticide exposure, her doctor said she had to walk more, and I encouraged her to use the time on those walks to tell me the stories I'd never heard, and for us to share deep truths with each other. So I wanted to bring Mom back to where it all began, to New York City, to see if we could write a new chapter together and maybe make a new memory.
So honored to be here with you, Mom.
This is a thrill and a half, a kick in the head.
I have so many memories of growing up around you and Dad's friends, and all your stories came from this room.
You can feel the souls of the greats. Marlon Brando, Jimmy Dean, Marilyn Monroe came here. Everybody came through here.
You, Dad.
Me and Bruce. You are a baby at the Actors Studio. When you were born, you were the first child of two people, Bruce Dern and Diane Ladd members.
Take me back then to your first professional play in New York.
I came here from Mississippi, 17 years old. My first professional play was Tennessee Williams' Orpheus Descending. He tried to make it a hit for 20 years, and I told him, let us do it. And if it's not a hit, I'll eat your script with ketchup on it. And it ran for over a year. It was a huge hit. That's how I met your father. He played Orpheus, and Lee gave me away at my wedding. Lee Strasberg. He was wise as they come.
What do you think you have in you that made it possible for you to leave the South and the comfort of home and family to come to this massive, magical space of New York City?
Two things. I have faith, and number two is they gave me genes. There's some blood flowing through these veins that came from some ancestors that had courage.
Speaking of your blood, I'm going back through Ancestry to see what else we can find out, okay?
What?
Okay, so it says here, Aunt Prudy
Oh, my Aunt Prudy, my great-grandma.
from Pearl River County.
Oh, she's something.
This map shows the origins of her family who settled throughout Pearl River County.
She's called the mother of South Mississippi. This woman at 15 went to New Orleans to the library. Let's say she borrowed all the medical books because they had no doctor. And in her lifetime, she delivered 3,000 babies. One time she fell off in snow. They say she broke her leg. They say the birth was breech. She got back on that horse somehow, went and delivered the baby, and then had her leg set.
Oh.
Now, if that's a true story, that's one heck of a pioneer. When I was 5 years old, she pulled me aside, she hugged me, and she says, you're gonna be a teacher. So I think of myself as an actor, a teacher to reflect humanity, saint and sinner, good and bad, everything.
So when you wanted to become an actress
I thought
and
of
make
Prudence.
your way here, yeah, I wonder.
Aunt Prudy, she was called.
Did you always remember that?
Oh, always, always. Never forgot it. What else does it say?
Let's see what else we can find. A 1920 census. It shows her occupation here as a midwife
She brought all those babies into life.
and self-taught doctor.
That's right.
I mean, that's incredible.
That's right.
This
What?
is incredible.
What?
Look,
What? She's holding a gun. And she might have been going hunting for breakfast.
I want to have a portrait of you that looks just like that in front of the Actors Studio.
Boy, she's got determination, hasn't she? 15 years old, she started helping people that were sick.
Well, you were saying that because we're here discovering your roots as a young person, finding your way, that you said, hey, I want to take you somewhere where you first were as a kid. What were you thinking?
It's a secret.
I can't wait.
Okay, I love you so much.
I love you too.
We're heading through the other favorite place in the world, Broadway. You come here when you're young, walk down the street, and you dream of your name in lights, and I actually had it happen.
Carnegie Hall is right around the corner. What was your story there?
I took a dance class. The choreographer let me teach his class. He had me take over his class. Lord, I could do the shuffle off to Buffalo. Woo, I could tap. I told you when we left the studio, I wanted to take you someplace with memories.
Yeah.
So one place is Central Park.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Just for a quick visit because of all the memories that we had together here. Look at the leaves changing.
Oh.
There's nothing like the holiday time in New York.
I think about coming here on my big wheel, going to the playground with you.
Oh, you drove.
Whenever I'm here in this park, I think about all the people that came here for the first time, and they came here for a new beginning.
And they got it.
So I have our information. I'm just curious who else, if anyone else, also came here for a new beginning. Should we find out?
Yeah, please.
Immigration record.
What?
Oh my gosh, okay, I'm gonna start crying. Your great-grandmother, Magdalena Onald, began her voyage to the United States on New Year's 1860
Oh my God.
from Mainz, Germany, alone.
Oh,
How brave to come here by herself, by ship.
and I thought I was brave to go across the country. She went across the water.
Magdalena is named after her own grandmother, Magdalena Clément. There's a naming pattern. Grandma Rosa was named after her grandmother, Rosina Cloet. Diane is named after her grandma, Rosa. Can you believe that? I mean, what's amazing is that you're saying how brave Magdalena was.
Yeah.
That's exactly what you did.
Maybe she inspired me. Maybe she was with me. Maybe she helped me. I got one more place I need to take you today before it's too late.
I don't know if my heart can take it.
I don't know if I can take it, but I'm going to take you one more. A little special. This one you'll kind of really enjoy and have a little fun. The reason I brought you here today, when your father and I got married, this is where we came to have our wedding breakfast.
Oh.
This restaurant.
At
is where-
Dern and Diane.
That's right.
To celebrate. And I just wanted to share this with you today.
Oh, Mom,
Yeah.
I can't believe we've never done this.
But Chef wanted to surprise you with the banana pudding recipe from your book.
Oh
The
my
recipe
God.
from our book?
Recipe from Honey Baby Mine book.
Oh, that's
my-
so beautiful.
honey.
Thank you.
So welcome.
Like, I'm gonna cry and my mom's so excited. And it really does look like my grandma's banana pudding.
Wow.
That's so kind
Bless
of you.
you.
Thank you. This banana pudding tastes just like Grandma Mary's.
Makes me think of Mississippi. It also makes me think of the song that Daddy sang to me. You get a line and I'll get a paw. We'll go down to the crawdad hole, honey.
Thank you.
Baby mine.
Thank you, Tavern on the Green. She'll be
Thank you,
here
Tavern on
every
the Green,
Wednesday night.
everybody. I'll be appearing. And let's see, Woody Guthrie, he recorded that song, Honey Baby Mine. We got our title for our book from the Crawdad song that Daddy sang to me. And that was recorded here in New York in 1944.
Papa, my grandpa, your dad, Preston, used to sing it to you.
He
Honey
loved
Baby
to
Mine.
sing.
And then you sang it to me. But who do you think sang it to him? Like, who started that tradition? Was it Aunt Prudy or I don't
As a matter of fact, it was Aunt Prudy. I got something else to show you. I got something here that I did not know. I did not know. And Ancestry helped me discover. My great-grandma Prudence had another name, which I never knew. And I want to show you the name.
No.
Yes, yes. And I didn't know why I named you Laura. Can you believe that one?
I can't believe it. And she, of all your relatives, was your muse.
But Laura was her real name.
Mom, we just discovered the naming tradition.
Rose, Rose,
yeah.
Rose.
That's incredible.
And now Laura, Laura.
That's incredible.
That's a miracle in our life to learn this.
I mean, also to have a namesake, because I was always like, why did you name me this?
I got namesakes.
I know.
Didn't know you had a namesake.
Thank you so much, Mom, for taking me on this journey. That's so beautiful.
Yeah.
And stories that I now get to share with your grandchildren.
Yes.
I hope our journey, our book, our time together, all our discoveries encourages others to do the same together.
So they can be richer in their lifetime.
Yeah,
While
tell
they're
each
here
other
to-
the truth. The simple
While they
truth.
have the chance on planet Earth.